For this activity, all you're gonna need are a big heavyweight board. You're gonna need something to cut out the circles. You could use a cardboard box for this, just so that it could be heavy. You're gonna need, I have a circle cutter. You don't have to have a circle cutter. You could also do it with like an X-Acto knife or something like that. All you need is to cut out circles so that they could be the target. You're going to want to make different size circles so that they could be different points. So on this one, I'm going to show you how you could do it with an X-Acto knife if you don't have a circle cutter like mine, which is super easy. If you have scissors, you could do it with scissors too, whatever you have. Now you're just going to want to decorate it and put how many points are worth, like each circle are worth. Make it a little fun. You could make the circles different colors so that they could be different amounts. So I just did like 1,000, 500, 100, 200, something like that. So the smaller the circle, the more it's worth. And now here is just, I don't know if you guys know how to make a paper plane, but if you don't, here's just a quick tutorial on how you can make the paper airplane. This is a super easy way to make an airplane. If you have a more complex version of it, that's fine too. I just wanted to do a simple one for the tutorial.